Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Whistle. In this video we are going to see veg liver curry. Take 150 gram of green mung whole, wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for 8 hours. Drain the water and add the green mung whole to mixie jar. Add quarter tablespoon of salt for green mung whole. Grind the green mung whole without water. This is the consistency. Don't add water while grinding. If you add water, we can't able to cook in steam. Add the green mung whole paste to idli plate. Switch on the stove, keep the pressure cooker and add water. Keep the idli plates. Close the pressure cooker and pressure cook it for 2 whistles in medium flame or steam cook it for 15 minutes. Green mung whole idli is ready. It is cooked well. Add little water and we can take it out from the plates. Veg liver is ready. Cool to room temperature. Then we can cut into small pieces. In the mixie jar, add 2 chopped tomatoes. Next add 1 inch ginger and 6 numbers of garlic. Add little water and grind to fine paste. Next add 100 gram or quarter cup of coconut to the mixie jar. Add water and grind to paste. Use the filter and filter the coconut milk. We are going to use coconut milk to the curry. Soak a small gooseberry sized tamarind in water. Switch on the stove, keep the pan and add 2 tablespoons of groundnut oil. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Add few curry leaves. Next add 4 cloves, 2 inch cinnamon stick and 3 numbers of green cardamom. Roast the spices for 2 minutes in oil. Add 3/4 cup of chopped onion and saute well. Onion is cooked 75%. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of cumin powder and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. Instead of Kashmiri chili powder, you can also add normal chili powder. Next add 2.5 tablespoons of coriander powder. Add 1.5 tablespoons of garam masala. Saute the masala powders for 1 minute. Now add tomato ginger garlic paste and mix well. Add half tablespoon of salt. Mix well and cook for 10 minutes. Now we can cut the veg liver into small pieces. it is very soft and cooked well. Ten minutes over, the tomato is cooked well. Keep the stove in sim flame and mix well. Now add the filtered coconut milk. 1 tumbler of thick coconut milk is enough. Next add water. I am adding 2 tumblers of water. Add water according to your requirement. Bring the curry to boil. Curry started boiling. Now add the veg liver pieces. Mix well. Check the salt in the curry and add according to your taste. Mix well. Keep the stove in medium flame. Close the pan and cook for 10 minutes. 10 minutes over. Mix well. Now add the tamarind water. Cook for another 5 more minutes. If the curry is very thick, you can also add water. See, the oil is coming from the curry. The veg liver curry is almost ready. Mix well. Add little chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Switch off the stove. That's it. Very tasty and protein rich veg liver curry is ready. It tastes like non-veg curry. You can have it rice, idli, dosa, puri, chapati, etc. You can also try this very tasty and simple veg liver curry at your home. If you like this video, like and share with your friends. Not yet subscribed to Kitchen Whistle means please subscribe to Kitchen Whistle. Click the all in the notification. If you have any doubt in this recipe, let me know in comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends.